This is the LED lighting I put in my toolbox. You can see I put a car battery back here with 3 dimmers. That way I can adjust the brightness. The lighting went all the way up under the rail in the toolbox, all the way around the toolbox, and I had about 1.5 feet left. As you can see, it worked out quite nicely. The dimmers, I have 3 dimmers. I have 2 sets of bed lighting for the bed itself. I'll show you that. This one goes to the passenger side. Bright and dim it. And then this one goes to the driver's side. Bright and dim it. And again, I put it up under the rails of the bed all the way around and run it up into the bottom of the toolbox to the dimmers. I did put inline fuses in each of them, but it works out really well. You can turn them all off easily. They don't use that much energy, which the battery doesn't have to be charged hardly ever. And I did also use some leftover lighting put up underneath the hood of the little tractor. But that's it in a nutshell. If you want some lighting for your toolbox, you can see everything inside very well. That's with it off. Of course, I have the flash on my camera, and that's on. Really makes a difference. Happy with it, and happy with the dimmers. If you'd like any information, leave a comment.